to all of you amazing subscribers. We got our YouTube channel up and running and we have over 100 already. So thank you. And because we are so grateful to all of you for joining, we want to do a giveaway. So we are giving away the Brooklyn Culinary online program to one person. So all you need to do is click on the link below in the description. You'll be taken over to a website called Gleam, and they make it super simple, super fast and easy to just click, sign up, follow our YouTube, follow our Instagram, and that will put you into the giveaway from July 1st to the end of the month. And the first week of August, we will be selecting one awesome winner. Our spring course has been phenomenal. The students are doing so well, and I'm so very proud of each and every one of them. Our next course will begin this September, so if you guys are interested in being a part of the Brooklyn Culinary family, please go over to the website, check it out, brooklynculinary.com. We are having a blast. I think that you will absolutely love this opportunity, so go check it out. So thank you again, and we are super excited, and we can't wait to show you some amazing videos coming soon. Thank you.